Hi, welcome back to Elements in Focus. My name is Aaron Rheaume, Director of Financial Planning at the Financial Enhancement Group. As always, I've got Grant Soliven with me. He's the manager of our advisor team. And so, Grant, how are you today?
I'm awesome, Aaron. Thank you for asking, brother. You doing well?
I am well, Grant,
Good, good.
as always. And so today we're going to focus on risk management and life happens. And this is a topic that kind of gets over missed or missed in planning, I think, often. One of the things that we want to at least address today in risk management and life happens is life insurance side. And so there are so many different life insurance products. You can have term insurance, you can have permanent insurance, you can have variable insurance. Today we're going to focus on indexed universal life versus other permanent insurance places. So Grant, what do you want to focus on in that topic?
Yeah, absolutely. And Aaron, the reason we wanted to bring this up for everyone watching is we're getting a lot more feedback and a lot more noise coming from the industry and from our families asking, hey, is Index Universal Life, IUL, a good thing for our plan? And here's what's going on. So the insurance industry is very good at taking complex law and finding ways around it because they don't have to be essentially registered for securities licenses, which means they can say whatever they want sometimes. So when it comes to Index Universal Life, here's the sales pitch. It's I'm going to guarantee you a 7% rate of return in your life insurance policy. You're going to owe no fees and expenses. All I need is premium. This thing will last as long as you are. And if you need to be your own bank, you can pull money out. The interest rate, the guaranteed rate of 7 to 9% will still be there, and you'll be off the races and living like the Rockefeller family, right? I mean, that's how these things are being sold. So whenever you're looking at an insurance product for yourself or for your family, you really need to dive deep into what's actually being sold to you. Remember, Aaron says this quite a bit. Insurance products are often sold, they're not bought. Meaning that when you're sitting across the table from a licensed insurance individual, their job is to make a commission and get you to buy that product. When you're working with fiduciary advisors, our job is to sit on the other side of the table and help you evaluate whether that insurance product is right for you. And so indexed universal life policies have their place, but there's just a very strong tick up in them what's being sold. And other permanent insurance products still have value. So a traditional universal life policy doesn't have the marketplace portion or component to it, but it's permanent insurance. It's permanent term, right? You pay the premium for the rest of your life, but the insurance never goes away. And then there's whole life insurance, right? The oldest insurance on the books, where you put it in a basic premium, you get a dividend, etc. And there are some times where you have limit pay insurance where that you stop paying premium 20, 15, 30 years, or even at age 65. And these IUL products are promising the world. But when you hear those things, when you hear it's too good to be true, a little red flag should go up for you to investigate. And here's the other kicker too. Be careful with what's presented to you, because most insurance salesmen will give you a very pretty in-force illustration or presentation of what this IU policy will do. But again, remember, they're not regulated by the securities industry. So the stuff they put in their presentations doesn't have to be compliance reviewed necessarily. So if someone's trying to get you to buy an insurance product and your tummy's telling you something's off, that's probably a good reason to go talk to an individual like ourselves here at the Financial Enhancement Group or another advisor who does have a fiduciary status.
Yeah, thank you, Grant. And what he's saying is not all insurance products are bad. They have their place, but they definitely need to be reviewed, and you want to make sure you're making a conscious and good decision when you're reviewing insurance. So if you have questions, reach out to us at Talk to FEG at Your Life After Work. If you'd like to schedule a complimentary Next Steps meeting, we'd be happy to have you come into the office. Brittany will get a meeting scheduled with one of the advisors. Or if you want to dig into more of our content, check our website out at yourlifeafterwork.com. We're here to help answer your questions. If you have them, please send them in, and have a great day.